Scientists have discovered a mysterious repeating radio signal from deep space. Again, this is by Branda Spector of Live Science. This animation shows the random appearance of fast radio bursts, FRBs, across the sky. Astronomers recently discovered 13 of these mysterious signals, including one that repeated from the same location over several months. Credit is NRAO, Outreach, Jarrett, IPAC, Caltech. Now, don't look now, but Earth is being bombarded with mysterious invisible light. Among the typical array of radio signals and microwaves cast out by distant stars, black holes, and other celestial bodies, there exists a brand of intergalactic light that constantly boggles scientists' minds and their instruments. These signals are known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs for short. These ultra-strong, ultra-bright radio signals last only a few milliseconds and are thought to originate from billions of light years away, though their precise source is unknown. Aliens have not been ruled out, by the way. The mystery is partially owed to a lack of data. Since astronomers first discovered FRBs only in 2007, only about 60 have been observed. Now those numbers are growing very fast, according to two new papers published today, January 9, in the journal Nature. Scientists working at the CHIME, that's Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment for short, radio telescope in the hills of British Columbia have detected 13 new FRBs in just 2 months span. Among these newly captured signals are 7 bursts that registered at 400 megahertz, that's the lowest FRB frequency detected so far, and for only a second time ever, an FRB was flashed repeatedly 6 times in a row. Stephen Hawking's most far-out ideas about black holes. Quote, until now, there was only one known repeating FRB, unquote. Ingrid Stairs, a member of the CHIME team and an astrophysicist at the University of British Columbia, said in her statement, quote, with more repeaters and more sources available for study, we may be able to understand these cosmic puzzles, where they're from and what causes them, end quote. Scientists have a few theories about those origins. Previous studies have suggested FRBs may be the remnants of distant supernovas or radiation spewed out by supermassive black holes. Avi Loeb, a scientist at Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, who was not involved in the discovery, said that we shouldn't rule out artificial origins, quote-unquote, like the pulses of an alien spacecraft. These newly discovered signals could help scientists get closer to an answer. For starters, the existence of repeaters, FRBs, like the one captured last year, could rule out some possible origins. These repeating signals flashed from the same point in the sky from an estimated 1.5 billion light years away, 6 times over the course of several months. According to the study authors, is delayed repetition rules out cataclysmic events like the supernovas as a likely source of the repeated blasts, as bursts from an exploding star would be expected to happen just once. Moreover, the CHIME team new discovery suggests that FRBs are probably far more common than current technology is able to reflect. The fact that 7 of the new bursts registered at 400 megahertz, that's the lowest frequency the CHIME telescope is able to detect, suggests that FRBs with even lower frequencies are likely zipping past our planet all the time. We just aren't able to see them yet. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.